Because life is about moments like this. We design technology like this. Introducing the Vizio SmartCast M-Series. A beautiful Ultra HD display with stunning clarity, phenomenal color, and astonishing contrast that delivers a viewing experience that's utterly captivating. The M-Series features Vizio XHDR Plus that expands the contrast range to reveal more lifelike details and highlights, with darker black levels and brighter whites. And Vizio's advanced ultra-color spectrum equips the M-Series with an expansive range of colors truer to what the human eye actually sees. Unlike typical edge-lit LED displays, the M-Series has a full-array LED backlight with 32 local dimming zones that accurately adjust to the brightness and shadows of on-screen content. With Vizio's innovative SmartCast, it's easy to access top apps like Netflix and Amazon Video to find the entertainment you want to watch. Use the included remote to navigate SmartCast TV. SmartCast TV is a fun, big-screen interface for launching all your favorite apps and browsing shows and movies, including those in 4K Ultra HD and Dolby Vision HDR. Or you can use the Vizio SmartCast mobile app to turn your phone or tablet into the ultimate touchscreen remote. Simply control all the functions of your display and find the movies, TV shows, and music you want to watch across multiple apps, all in one handy place. But what really elevates the M-Series is having Chromecast built right in. The easiest way to stream content from thousands of apps you know and love onto the big screen. Download popular Chromecast-enabled apps like Netflix, HBO Now, and Google Play Movies and TV. Then simply find the content you want and tap the Cast button to stream it onto your Vizio display. And perhaps most fun of all, Vizio SmartCast displays work with the Google Assistant on devices like Google Home to give you voice control of your M-Series. Stream your favorite entertainment with just a simple voice command. The all-new Vizio SmartCast M-Series. Beautifully smart, beautifully connected, and built to enhance life's little moments.
First time I saw a Sony 4K TV, it was like opening my eyes. It's 4 times the detail of HD. Colours become richer, details become clearer. Which, for a filmmaker, changes everything. Because now there are no more barriers between the world that I see and the ones I can show you. The Sony 4K Ultra HD TV.
Samsung.
A form unlike anything you've seen or even imagined. Television in its purest essence. Sony's OLED technology delivers the most striking contrasts ever, with the richest hues, the sharpest highlights, and the deepest shadows. Powered by Sony's X1 Extreme 4K HDR processor, objects on screen are individually remastered for true-to-life depth, balance, and texture. The exclusive acoustic surface technology imperceptibly vibrates the screen to create an ultra-vivid soundscape with warmth, clarity, and power that turn television into a full sensory experience. breathtaking picture together with inspiringly lifelike sound.
One, two, three, listen.